Huh? What, you got orange on your header?
It'll burn off.
Michael, don't get off the car.
Everything's hot now.
Where's the 916?
916?
Yeah, let me make sure.
Oh, you know what? 916s. I took a lot of those tools back in your toolbox.
Man, these heavy get hot.
And that gave me a girly heart on. Just kidding. Say, man.
He wants to see.
Okay,
I want to see.
I hit it out.
okay, I don't know where it says.
What is it?
Hey, buddy, was that cool?
Yeah.
Did it fall?
That was cool, huh?
Here, Ralph.
Let me see your knees. I'll show them the battle scars. Ugh, look at this.
I got it.
Yeah. I'm making a video.
Yeah. Crying and screaming because of little scratches.
Hurt. They hurted.
Alright. Yeah,
Diamond seems to be right on.
Ow.
We'll find out when we...
Yeah, you'll find out when